Alright guys, let's make our antiseptic liquid, which is known as Dettol. We are making the real original Dettol liquid without color, okay? No color added, original Dettol. Let's dive into the video.
Okay, the first chemical was our testapon, which has been measured out, okay? And this is it. It's our base already. So we'll move on to our scale and be adding in the next chemical, okay? Okay guys, here is our pine oil. Now we add it. We just use our palm oil with our testapon to make sure it's properly dissolved, okay? Mix it very well, okay? Okay guys, sorry, I changed to whisk because I'm used to this whisk stuff, okay? We need to mix the testapon and the pine oil together to get a very clear, okay? Can you see it? It's very clear, crystal clear. Have you seen that? Okay. The next chemical on our list is our phenol, okay? We add. The next chemical is our chloralizonol, okay? This is it. We add it, everything. So guys, next is our distilled water. I bought the distilled water for 5 liter. This is 5 liter for 2,000 naira, okay? I bought it 2,000 naira, and here we are making use of a liter, okay? Use 1 liter distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, you can make use of pure water, please, or bottled water. Anyone you can get. Distilled water is the best, actually. I'll advise you get distilled water, okay? I like my water, my antiseptic being perfectly okay, no errors, nothing, even if you think it's another material food, okay? So this is it. Just mix it very well. Mix it very well. Okay guys, this is our IPA. So for the alcohol, we start by adding. We are actually adding 4 of this cup as one. Sorry guys, I really have to do this. This is 3 and 4. So we just add it and just mix everything together. Okay. Already you can see our antiseptic looks like Dettol already. You see that, guys? Guys, can you see the magic? I haven't added color to this, and I'm not ready to add one to it, okay? I am okay with what I got. I don't like adding stuff to my paints. Actually, you can add color, okay? This is color. I didn't add. You can see from the process, I hide nothing from you. This is the color. If you want to add it, I just bought it just for this video shoot. I'm actually not using it. I'm using it for something else. You can add color if you like, but for me, I don't need it, okay? So now let's test our product. You can see that. Actually, no, after properly mixing, and just cover this and let's get water to test, okay? it. So bye guys. See you in the next video. Take care. Okay. It's time for packaging.